This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Dan Henson. Discover Braden River Lakes with this delightful home featuring a newer roof. This property offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an inside laundry room, and a spacious 2-car garage. Step into the great room, where soaring ceilings and large windows create a bright and airy atmosphere, showcasing beautiful views of the lake. The heart of this home is its kitchen, equipped with wood cabinets, granite countertops, newer stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast bar plus an eat-in space, perfect for family gatherings. Extend your living space outdoors with an 18x14 screened lanai, ideal for relaxing and enjoying the picturesque lake views. Braden River Lakes is ideally situated near I-75, providing easy access to shopping and dining options. The community boasts an array of amenities including a swimming pool, tennis courts, a picnic area,